Echelon Smart Connect Bike App. The pros, the cons. When people think of connected fitness, Peloton usually gets the spotlight, but the Echelon Smart Connect Bike App offers a surprising and affordable alternative, delivering live classes, leaderboard fun and community energy without breaking the bank. Let's look at the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, the Echelon app connects with the company's line of smart bikes, giving you access to live and on-demand cycling classes led by energetic instructors. You can choose from different ride types: endurance, intervals, climbs and scenic rides, all designed to keep things exciting. A standout feature is its affordability. Compared to other high-end platforms, Echelon subscription costs less while still offering thousands of workouts. The app also includes strength, yoga and HIIT sessions, so you get a complete fitness experience. Plus, you can compete on leaderboards and track metrics like cadence, output and heart rate in real time. Now for the cons. The lower cost does come with some trade-offs. The app interface isn't as polished as Peloton's, and class production quality can vary. Some users also find that Bluetooth connections between the app and bike occasionally lag. Additionally, full functionality requires an Echelon device, limiting flexibility if you already own another bike. In conclusion, the Echelon Smart Connect Bike App is an excellent choice for riders who want community-driven workouts without a premium price tag. It's motivating, effective, and great for staying consistent. But if you're looking for the highest-end visuals and perfectly seamless integration, you may prefer other options.